Ways to make people fall in love with you. No matter how unique we all are as individuals, one thing we all share is the desire to be loved and valued. Sometimes you may feel a strong connection with someone, but they might not feel the same way right away. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry. There are subtle methods you can use to win their heart and make them fall deeply in love with you. How to make someone fall in love with you. You may not get a recipe to a love potion in this video, but you will find all the needed tips and tricks. 1. First impressions matter. Research shows that 48% of men can decide whether they're interested in a woman at first sight. For others, a bit of persuasion is needed to capture their attention. This means you can influence certain factors during that initial meeting. Aim to make a strong first impression by dressing impressively, but leaving something to the imagination. Carry yourself with confidence, and you're likely to capture the attention of the person you're interested in. 2. Love yourself. To truly love others and be lovable, you first need to show yourself some love. Allowing low self-esteem to dominate can make it harder for others to love you. While confidence is key, there's no need for arrogance. Believe in yourself and take care of your physical and mental well-being. Dress in a way that complements your body type and cultivate self-love so others can appreciate it too. When you feel happy and confident, others will notice and be drawn to those qualities. This is how to make someone fall in love with you. 3. Be seen. If you're in love with someone you don't know well or feel hesitant to approach directly, it's important to find ways to catch their attention. You can stand out by being the life of the party, wearing something eye-catching, or doing noticeable things without causing embarrassment. Another approach is to simply walk up and say hi, starting a casual conversation to see where it leads. This method works particularly well at social gatherings where your interest may not be as apparent and may be perceived as just small talk. 4. Don't be selfish and start listening. Once you've captured the attention of the person you're interested in, it's important to demonstrate genuine curiosity about them. Show a real interest in learning about their life and getting to know them better. People appreciate when you take a genuine interest in them, and being a good listener makes it easier for them to develop feelings for you. 5. Make them feel special and appreciated. One of the most effective ways to spark their interest is by making them feel valued and special. When someone feels appreciated and significant, it fosters a sense of belonging and desire. This, in turn, encourages them to spend more time with you, and over time, they may develop deeper feelings for you. 6. It doesn't hurt to smile. Research shows that smiling makes you more likable and attractive. A smile not only reflects confidence, which is a highly appealing quality, but also suggests that you are a positive person. When you're happy and smile often, the person you're interested in is more likely to want to spend time with you, as your presence creates a pleasant and uplifting atmosphere. 7. They have an unmet need. Fulfill it. When people seek a romantic partner, they often look for someone who complements them in various ways. To make someone fall in love with you, try to understand what they are seeking. For instance, if they have insecurities, they may be subconsciously drawn to a confident partner who can counterbalance those feelings. By embodying the qualities they need, you become the perfect match for them, leaving them with no choice but to fall for you. 8. Make use of mutual friends. If you're fortunate enough to have mutual friends with the person you're interested in, use this to your advantage. Introduce them to the person you like through your social circle. Knowing someone who knows you can make it easier for them to develop an interest in you. Having a trusted third party involved can subtly influence their feelings. This is a great way to increase the chances of making someone fall in love with you. 9. Be passionate. In addition to focusing on the person you're interested in, engage in activities that bring you joy. Your passion for something can be very attractive and might make them fall in love with you. As you get to know them, Share your enthusiasm for your interests and goals. Demonstrating passion and having a clear sense of purpose not only showcases your focus, but also shows that your happiness doesn't solely rely on them. After all, you had a fulfilling life before meeting them. 10. Avail yourself emotionally. For people to fall in love with you, they need to sense that you are emotionally available. To make them feel comfortable around you, it's important to open up and reveal your own vulnerabilities. This encourages them to be open with their own emotions, fostering a mutual sense of trust. When they feel they can trust you with their feelings, it significantly increases the chances of them falling in love with you. 11. Show them you accept them as they are. As you get to know them better, you'll see that they have their own flaws, some visible and some hidden. It's crucial to demonstrate that they can trust you enough to share these imperfections. Nothing is more appealing than someone who doesn't judge others based on their flaws. 12. Tell them how you feel. While the tips on making someone fall in love with you can certainly help, some people may not pick up on subtle cues. In such cases, it's perfectly fine to directly express your feelings. Often, you'll find that they were waiting for you to make the first move and might feel the same way about you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.